Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this side part quick weave using 2 bundles from CURLSQUEEN. So if you want to see how I got this style, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting on blow dried hair, and I'm just gonna part out my leave out section and then do my breakdown. Okay, so here's the part I did. I was a little nervous because I never did a side part quick weave before, so I went over my hair a little bit with a straightener just to make sure that my leave out was enough to cover up the tracks. Okay, now we're gonna lay down our wig cap and our protective shield. So I have my black cap and then I have my protective shield. And now I'm just outlining my part so the protective shield doesn't get on it. And now I'm just gonna get my protective shield and I'm gonna apply a pretty thick layer so that when I use the glue for the tracks, the glue does not touch my real hair. Also, just to make this process faster and easier, I am gonna apply it with my hands. I just feel like it makes it faster and then it just washes off your hands. Okay, it's like 15 minutes later and this is how the cap looks. It is pretty dry, so now I'm ready to install the bundles. Again, these bundles are from CURLSQUEEN and I got their light Yaki texture and they sent me 2 bundles. So when I install the bundles, I'm gonna first measure it, like where I wanna put it, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm going to apply the bonding glue. Okay, this is how the first track looks. I made sure to lay this one down to make sure that it lays in my face a little bit, so I can do like swoops and stuff. For the rest of the tracks, I'm just gonna loop them in like a C or like a U shape. So like this, until I get to the top. This is how the hair looks with only 2 tracks. I will say these bundles are pretty thick, so even just with 2 tracks, you already like can't even see through it. This is how the hair looks. I did use the full 2 bundles. And now I'm going to cut the cap. Okay, now I'm gonna work on my leave out. So for my leave out, I'm gonna use heat protectant. And then after I straighten, I'm going to put a serum on it. this is how my hair looks after I straightened and blended my leave out. Okay, now I'm gonna do my edges and then I'll come back with the final product. Okay, here's how the hair looks. I just did a little like soft edge, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow to show you how it looks. Okay, this is the next day and here's the final product. Okay, so here's the final product. I've honestly never done a quick weave with straight hair, so I got the light Yaki to make sure that it would match my hair, and that was definitely the right decision. As you can see, you can't really see where my hair stops or ends. It honestly just looks like a really good silk press, like no lace, no anything, just scalp. Hey guys, I just wanted to chime in really quick before the video ended. I've had these bundles in for about a week now, and I honestly love them so much. I've gotten so many compliments, and the blend is so good. If you have type 4 hair, if you have kinky hair, and you have trouble like blending it with regular straight hair, this is definitely the texture you need to try. This texture blended so well with my hair. I was a little worried about shedding at first because a lot of straight hair sheds a lot, but I honestly haven't experienced much shedding, and the hair is really soft. Maintenance has been super easy. Usually at night I just wrap it up in a low bun, and then in the morning I'll brush it out and I'm ready to go. I've tried a few different hair textures from them, and the quality is consistent every single time. So if you're looking for any type of hair, any bundles, clip-ins, any type of texture, just make sure you go shop with CURLSQUEEN. I just want to say thank you again to CURLSQUEEN for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in bundles, clip-ins, or any type of extensions, make sure you check the link in my bio. They sell a variety of different hair and different hair textures. Thank you again for clicking on this video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!